What's up, guys? Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now, guys, today I bring you the good news. I bring you all the good news, and I'm sure some of you have already sent us. But yes, congratulations to Vuyokazi Mncweni. Yay! Yeah, this is a huge one. I'm really happy for her. So it was her birthday yesterday, and guess what, she is officially off the market, guys. And not with Umpumelelo, no. Vuyokazi got engaged yesterday. Congratulations to her. I am really so happy for her, guys. Yes, the recent video that I posted, I was so worried. Why is she getting so sidelined there? Like, she is not even there. Why is she getting ignored in that the trip that they went to? I was so worried. Like, I'm checking Pumelelo's Instagram, Mugel is not there. I got so stressed. Oh my god, Mtanabantu must be going through a lot. But Kesana, she is definitely over Umpumelelo, and she got herself a new man, Chef Xolani Sabelo. How? Who would have thought? So Chef Xolani Sabelo posted her on her birthday and said, "Happy birthday, Stando Sami," and she said yes. She So the gifts were sent to her home, right? There's a video. The gift was sent to her home at the gate. It was a special delivery for her. It was flowers with a message, and also this balloon that said, "Will you marry me?" So when Vuyokazi posted this, she didn't mention, she didn't tag or mention anyone. But Kesana, I guess our chef got a little bit excited, and decided to just bust the bubble. Like, our chef posted this and tagged Vuyokazi. It's these lovely chocolates, the small birthday cake, as well as the lovely flowers. All right. So there was 2 balloons. The other one was written "Happy Birthday," and the other one said, "Will you marry me?" How cute is that, guys? When they say another man's what is another man's what, Vuyokazi is proof of that. Nisho, even if you can have 5 kids, guys, don't give up on love. If someone loves you, they will love you with your kids. They will love you with your kids. I'm sure Mpumelelo is having chest pains wherever he is. Like, from being a backup girlfriend to being a wifey, and not to just anyone, to the most famous chef. And I remember there were rumors, I'm not sure who posted that video, but there were rumors that Vuyokazi is dating Chef Sabelo Wara, and she denied the rumors, guys. I guess she was not ready to come out yet, with their relationship. It was still new and all. But I am really happy for her that she finally found love and is out of that I don't know what to call it. Hey, I don't know if it's isitembu, but what is isitembu without marriage? Isitembu with a lot of girlfriends. As I'm happy she's finally out of that fake isitembu, that isitembu wannabe relationship. Like, I'm really so happy. It's just so sad that Pumelelo is not posting their child. He's clearly showing that the favorite child here is Direlo's child, their last born. He is not posting the child. Even if you are not posting the mother, but just try to go and see the child. I don't know, maybe he went to see the child behind the cameras, but from what we've seen, he has not. Like, show some interest, Mugai. But anyway, congratulations to Vuyokazi. We wish her all the best. I've seen on Facebook, people are just so excited. On Instagram, people are excited for her. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and comment down below.